Today we'll talk about how can you disable optimize videos on your WordPress app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on your name down here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on app settings, just click on it. Then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to optimize videos, you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean here optimize videos disable with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish now you are get it, that's all. So that's all, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all, thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.